Welcome back to Nature's Fix, where we rediscover nature's wisdom for our gardens. Beneath our feet, the soil is alive, a hidden world that fuels every leaf, flower, and fruit. Today, we'll reveal 5 secret soil minerals that revive dead soil and multiply yields naturally. These aren't quick fixes, but ancient elements that build a resilient living garden for generations. We'll explore each one, and at the end, I'll show you how to blend them into an unstoppable garden mix. Ready to transform your soil? Let's dig in. Let's get our hands dirty. Our first ingredient is biochar, charcoal made for the soil inspired by the legendary terra preta of the Amazon. Under a microscope, biochar is a honeycomb network, a permanent home for beneficial microbes and fungi. It acts like a sponge, holding water and nutrients right where roots need them. Unlike compost, biochar doesn't break down. It's a long-term investment in soil health. Before using, charge it by soaking in compost tea or mixing with finished compost. This turns it into a slow-release battery of life. Mix biochar with compost and feel the transformation. Lighter, more friable, and bursting with potential. Biochar sequesters carbon, locking it in the soil for centuries, helping your garden and the planet. With biochar, you're not just growing plants, you're building a legacy of fertility. Small acts in the garden can have a profound, lasting impact. Let's move to our next secret. Struggling with heavy, compacted clay? Meet gypsum, the clay breaker. Gypsum introduces calcium, pushing clay particles apart and transforming dense soil into a crumbly, root-friendly texture. It's pH neutral, so it won't disrupt your soil's chemistry. Results are fast: easier digging, better drainage, and roots that finally breathe. Gypsum also supplies calcium and sulfur, key nutrients for strong, disease-resistant plants. Just broadcast it on the surface. Rain will do the rest. For clay soils, gypsum is a game-changer, turning frustration into partnership. Remember, it's for clay, not sandy soils. Let's unlock the next mineral secret. Next, we travel to ancient seabeds for greensand, a mineral treasure chest. Greensand is rich in potassium, crucial for flowers, fruit, and plant vigor, and releases nutrients slowly, never burning roots. It also delivers over 30 trace minerals, nature's vitamins, often missing from modern soils. Paired with biochar, greensand's minerals stay in the root zone, ready for your plants. It improves soil structure in both clay and sand, making it a versatile conditioner. Especially great for root crops and fruiting plants, it boosts resilience and flavor. Add greensand for a deep, mineral-rich foundation that lasts for years. Let's keep building your soil's legacy. On to the volcanic miracle. Now, from volcanoes, azomite, a volcanic rock dust packed with over 70 minerals and trace elements. Azomite replenishes what years of gardening and rain have washed away, restoring your soil's full spectrum of nutrients. Plants need more than just NPK. Azomite provides the micronutrients for true health, flavor, and resilience. It's a slow-release amendment, becoming a permanent part of your soil's mineral bank. Just dust it lightly over your beds or mix into compost. A little goes a long way. Gardeners report stronger plants, better taste, and improved pest resistance. Azomite is like a multivitamin for your garden, closing the loop of sustainability. With azomite, you return the earth's gifts to your soil. Now let's bring your soil to life. The final ingredient awaits. We've built the mineral house, now let's fill it with life worm castings. Worm castings are nature's perfect plant food, teeming with beneficial microbes that unlock nutrients and protect roots. They're gentle, balanced, and can't burn your plants, ideal for even the most delicate seedlings. Castings contain enzymes and growth hormones that boost germination, root growth, and natural pest resistance. Adding them populates your biochar, activates minerals, and creates a thriving soil ecosystem. Mix castings into your soil blend or add a handful to each planting hole for instant results. Worm castings turn waste into black gold, closing the loop and fueling vibrant new growth. This is the heart of organic gardening, life feeding life. With all 5 ingredients, your soil becomes a living engine. Ready to blend them? Here's how. Let's finish strong. Biochar, gypsum, greensand, azomite, and worm castings Combine them for an unstoppable garden mix. Use 3 parts compost, 1 part biochar, and a sprinkle of each mineral and castings. Mix well, and you've created a living soil amendment that keeps giving year after year. No more chasing quick fixes. This is a partnership with nature. Healthy soil means stronger, tastier, more resilient plants. Next time, I'll show you how to brew a liquid version for rapid results. So subscribe and let nature fix your soil. Thanks for joining me. See you in the garden.